Welcome to the world of abstract wood carving art. Wood carving is an age-old craft that transforms simple pieces of timber into intricate works of art. Abstract wood carving, in particular, pushes the boundaries of traditional techniques, inviting both artists and viewers to explore the beauty of organic shapes and textures. This unique form of artistry allows for personal expression, where the wood itself becomes a canvas for creativity, revealing the artist's vision through fluid forms and unconventional designs. Embracing unique wood carving designs. Each piece of abstract wood carving tells a story, reflecting the natural characteristics of the wood while embracing innovative design elements. From flowing lines to geometric patterns, these carvings challenge our perceptions of what wood can represent. The interplay of light and shadow enhances the dimensionality of the work, inviting viewers to engage with it from multiple angles. As we delve deeper into this fascinating art form, we celebrate the skill, passion, and imagination that breathe life into every unique creation. The essence of abstract wood carving art. Abstract wood carving art transcends traditional representations by focusing on form, texture, and emotion rather than realistic depictions. Artists harness the natural grain, knots, and imperfections of wood to create pieces that evoke feelings and provoke thought. This approach allows for a deeper connection to the material, as each carving becomes a unique expression of the artist's vision and interpretation of the world around them. The fluidity of abstract shapes often mirrors the organic forms found in nature, inviting viewers to experience the artwork in a more instinctive and personal way. Exploring unique wood carving designs. Unique wood carving designs often blend various styles and techniques, resulting in captivating pieces that stand out in any setting. Artists may experiment with contrasting textures, combining smooth surfaces with rough-hewn edges, or incorporating mixed media elements for added depth. This experimentation not only showcases the versatility of wood as a medium, but also encourages a dialogue between the artwork and its environment. Each design captures the essence of creativity, pushing the boundaries of what wood carving can achieve and inspiring both admiration and curiosity. The impact of abstract wood carving on contemporary art. As contemporary art continues to evolve, abstract wood carving plays a crucial role in redefining perceptions of craftsmanship and artistic expression. By challenging conventional norms, these carvings invite audiences to reconsider the boundaries between fine art and functional design. This dynamic interplay fosters a greater appreciation for the skill involved in wood carving, as well as the stories that each piece tells. In a world increasingly dominated by digital art forms, the tactile nature of wood carving reaffirms the value of handmade artistry, celebrating the beauty of imperfection and the uniqueness of each creation. If you're captivated by the beauty of abstract wood carving art and unique design, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We delve into the intricate process of wood carving, showcasing stunning creations and sharing tips for aspiring artists. Don't forget to like our videos and share them with fellow art enthusiasts to spread the appreciation for this timeless craft. Join our community and stay updated on the latest in wood carving artistry.